Ever thought about what your dream life would look like? Where your every dream comes true, where you're living your most happiest and fulfilled self? Well, the only thing that is stopping you from getting there is you. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, rightly said that you do not rise at the level of your goals, rather, you fall at the level of your systems. These habits, they are your systems, the very foundation on which your dreams are to be built. Today, we are going to be talking about something very simple yet life changing habits. Yes, those little things that you do every day, they have the power to transform your life. So let's dive in and discover together some game changing habits. Number one habit is journaling. You know how much I advocate for journaling. I have this entire video which is dedicated to how journaling has changed my life. It is like a personal therapist that is available for you 24/7. So grab your pen and paper and write down your thoughts and emotions and even your goals. Journaling helps you to gain clarity, solve problems, track your progress. It is a great way to unwind your long day. Also, it is a powerful tool for self-discovery and self-reflection. One popular form of journaling is gratitude journaling. Simply write down things that you are grateful for. It can be as simple as a sunny day or a delicious meal. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude simply enhances your overall well being and happiness. Now, many of you might ask, but I don't know what to write on my journal. Don't worry, there are many exercises and journaling prompts that are available for you to get your creative juices flowing. You could write about your daily highlights, your goals, your intention. It's a powerful tool to reduce stress, gain clarity, or simply document your life. Give journaling a try and see how it transforms your life. Also, it is very important to note that the benefits of journaling for mental health are not limited to those with anxiety and depression. Studies conducted by psychologist James Penn Baker revealed that journaling is a tool for self-discovery, healing, and also personal growth. Number two habit is meditation. Just like you go to gym to strengthen your body, meditation is a great tool to strengthen your mind. It is basically training your awareness and your attention to gain a sense of clarity and calmness. Many of you might think that meditation is all about sitting cross-legged for hours and chanting Om, but it doesn't have to be that way. Meditation is as simple as sitting quietly for a few moments and focusing on your breath. So, how to meditate? Find a comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Let go of tension in your body. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving your nostrils, or you can also watch the rise and fall of your abdomen. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. The best part is you don't have to meditate for hours. Simply sitting and meditating for 10 to 15 minutes every day can make a world of a difference. It is about consistency and making it a regular part of your routine. So, what are the benefits of meditation? Where do I even begin? It is scientifically proven to reduce anxiety, stress, and depression. It also enhances your focus, memory, and creativity. It is also known to boost your immune system and strengthen relationships. But above all, it is known to cultivate a sense of inner peace and well being. In this fast paced world where we are constantly bombarded with distractions and stimuli, meditation is a tool to find calm in the chaos. So, whether you are a total beginner or a seasoned meditator, I encourage you to give it a try. Start with few minutes each day and see how it feels. Who knows, it might change your life in ways you never thought possible. Our next habit is reading. Reading is so much more than flipping through pages. It is a passport for different world, ideas, and perspectives. Whether you're reading a fantasy novel or a self-help book, reading can open doors for endless possibilities. Now, you might think that reading is a way to pass the time, but it is so much more than that. Reading has countless benefits on your mind, body, and soul. Reading stimulates your brain. It improves your vocabulary, enhances your critical thinking, and boosts empathy. When you immerse yourself into reading, you're basically exercising your brain in ways no other activity can. However, benefits of reading go beyond mental exercise. It can reduce stress and promote relaxation. If you read a book before going to bed, it can calm your mind and prepare for a good night's sleep. Reading can have an emotional impact on you. It can make you laugh, cry, or even feel inspired. Basically, reading can evoke a wide range of emotions. Reading is also a form of self care. In this fast paced world, it is easy to get caught up in hustle and bustle of life. But when you're taking time to read a good book, it's like you're giving yourself a much needed break. Now, let's talk about sleep. It is one of the most important habits to cultivate for a happier and healthier life. If you are the one who stay up late at night or spend a lot of time on social media or scrolling through videos, then you might be asking yourself, how do I make sure that I get recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep? Well, you can start by creating a bedtime routine and sticking to it. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. What this will do is it will regulate your body's internal clock and also improve the quality of your sleep. Make sure your sleep space is cozy, comfortable, and distraction free. Dim the lights, turn off screens, and engage yourself in relaxation activities like reading or meditation an hour before going to bed. What this will do is it will send signals to your body that it is time to rest. So, whether you're a night owl or an early bird, it does not matter. Make sleep your priority. Trust me, your body and mind will thank for it. You will feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Matthew Walker, author of the book Why We Sleep, has done a lot of research on sleep. He discovered that sleep is super important for our bodies and brains to function properly. In his studies, he found that not getting enough sleep can make us feel tired, grumpy, and even sick. His studies also reveal that sleep is very important to remember things better and think more clearly. Now, let's talk about morning sunlight. Now, this might sound very simple, but sunlight is the first thing in the morning that can elevate your mood and energy levels. It regulates our body's internal clock, telling us when it is time to wake up and be active. It is also known to boost the production of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that regulates our mood and sleep and even our appetite. Sunlight also provides us with a healthy dose of vitamin D, which is needed for healthy immune system and strong bones. Low levels of sunlight has been often linked with mood disorders. When we don't receive enough sunlight, our bodies do not produce melatonin. Now, what is melatonin? It is a hormone that makes us fall asleep. Low levels of melatonin leads to trouble in falling asleep. Luckily, it is very easy to get morning sunlight. All you need to do is step outside for a while, preferably within few hours of waking up. I usually spend 10 to 15 minutes every day, and this has worked wonders for me. Now, let's talk about the next habit, staying hydrated. Since the time I started to stay hydrated, I could notice that my skin was glowing very naturally. As we all know that our bodies are made up of 60% of water. It needs enough water to function properly. Every cell, every tissue, every organ needs water to perform its task effectively. Water plays a critical role in almost every bodily functions. It is essential for nutrient absorption and digestion. It also elevates our mood and it is needed for our skin to glow. Basically, water is needed for our bodies to run smoothly and feel its best. Now let's talk about what happens when your body does not get enough fluids. Dehydration occurs when your body loses more fluids than it takes in. The unpleasant effects of this could be dizziness, headache, or even fatigue. In severe cases, it can also lead to serious health complications. That's why it is very important to see these signs and stay hydrated. Now, how do you make sure that you stay hydrated at all times? The simplest and most effective way is to drink plenty of water throughout the day. The other alternatives can be drinking herbal tea and fruit-infused water. Also, eating plenty of water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can also contribute to your overall hydration. Move your body. Trust me, moving your body is a game changer. Regular physical exercise does not only keep your body in shape, but it has numerous benefits on your mental health. It releases a chemical called endorphins in the brain, which is a natural painkiller and a mood elevator. You don't have to hit the gym for hours. Just going for a walk, doing some yoga, or dancing on your favorite music can make a huge difference. Basically, it increases the blood flow and oxygen to your muscles, giving you a natural boost of energy. Now, let's talk about something we all struggle with: screen time. Whether it is staring at your phone, TV, or laptops, excessive amount of screen time can negatively impact your health and productivity. So, why it is important to track our screen time? Sometimes we don't even realize how much time we spend while scrolling through social media or watching online videos. Tracking your screen time helps you to see patterns and identify areas where you need to cut down. Too much of screen time can negatively impact your physical and mental health. It can disrupt your sleep, it can strain your eyes, cause headaches. Also, excessive screen time is linked with poor concentration, anxiety, and depression. By tracking your screen time, you can take steps to reduce such risks and prioritize activities that promote mental health. It is okay to enjoy technology, to use it for your school, work, or entertainment. But it is also important to make time for other activities like spending time with your loved ones, being active outdoors, or pursuing your hobby. Whether it is using inbuilt feature or downloading apps, find a way that works for you and track your screen time. Your body and mind will thank for it. So our next habit is delayed gratification. So what is delayed gratification? It is our ability to resist the temptation of immediate reward in favor of more valuable reward in future. So I practice delayed gratification in various ways. I like to save money instead of doing impulse purchase. I refrain myself from Googling to instantly find answers to my questions. I use phone minimally while I am traveling and I never become part of the latest trends. So delayed gratification is about being patient and willing to wait instead of seeking instant gratification. One of the biggest benefits of this is building self-control. When we practice delayed gratification, we are basically training our brains to resist urges and make thoughtful decisions. It has ripple effect on other areas of our lives. It can make us more self-disciplined and also improve our decision-making skills. One of the most compelling reasons to practice delayed gratification is it gives you a sense of deeper satisfaction and fulfillment. Because constantly seeking instant gratification can give us temporary pleasure, but it quickly fades away, leaving us with this feeling of wanting more. On the other hand, when we are willing to wait, the satisfaction is long lasting. Now, picture this: you have incorporated these habits in your daily routine. At first, it might feel strange and hard to stick to. But as time goes, you'll feel more energized, more focused, and more motivated than before. Big dreams that felt out of reach now suddenly feels closer than ever before. And before you know it, you're not only inching closer to it, to your best life, but you're living it. That's the power of habits. They are not just routines, they are the building blocks for your future. So keep nourishing those habits and watch your life transform right before your eyes. The power to change your life is in your hands, one habit at a time.